Hey guys, Steven here. Welcome to ProTEQ. In the pistol gunshot wound workshop, we focus on obviously treating a gunshot wound from a basic level to an extremity using a tourniquet. Students are required to have basic and intermediate knowledge from ProTEQ or an equivalent, and they can test out the basic and intermediate workshops if they've gotten training elsewhere. We have no problem with that. This course, or this particular drill shown in this course, is one of the drills that we'll do. It focuses on a close, danger close ambush. Say you're walking out of the store, the double doors open up, and there's a van sitting outside. The van pulls away, and there's a mob of folks that are intent on killing you and your friend. So you immediately egress as a team back into the store, away from the attacking group. So here we go. Reload. You good?
I'm good.
Oh shit, I'm hitting the leg. Come on. Get over here, turn it to me. I'm covering. Get that thing high. Get it high. Hang on. Move it up. Here we go.
You're good.
Okay, I need to reload.
Okay. Oh.
Loading. Loaded. Move. Egress.
Action.
Yeah.
This is just a bad
Yeah.
day. I just have a bad feeling about this whole new day. This is really bad.
Holy oh, get out of here! I gotta reload.
Reloaded.
Are you hit?
Yeah! Shit!
Where'd you turn it?
Yep.
Where'd you turn it? Here. In my pocket.
It's also worth noting that after the course, everybody agreed that practicing applying your tourniquet, both deploying your tourniquet and putting it on, was a deficiency and needed to be practiced a whole lot more. So it's one thing to have a tourniquet on your kit, you know, or have multiple tourniquets. I've got one in every vehicle and every bag that I've got. But it's a whole another thing to practice deploying it and then to apply that practice in a live scenario like this. Okay, now draw your gun, get it in your left hand, get him under your arm, get under his arm, and move. Get it.
Alright, are we ready? Don't trip on your bag here.
Yeah, you want to walk out of the store in style.
Can I throw it, sneeze in the process?
Sure, just chuck it back.
Chuck it back.
They don't look like them short bus window lickers.
Are you okay? I think I'm bleeding on my left leg. Shoot. Alright, feels a little sticky and damp. Let me check it real
Keep
quick.
egressing. Move back a little bit more. Get that tourniquet out while you're moving back.
Left leg. Alright. Right about here somewhere. Okay. A little burning. You ready? Yep. Alright.
Shift it up. Get as high as you can.
We up there?
Yep.
Alright.
Check the 6. Very good.
Shoot.
Now get under her arm.
Alright, here I come.
Left arm, left arm, left
You
arm.
want you on this side. Put me on this side.
On the wounded leg side.
Alright.
Egress.
Ready? Alright.
Check your 6. top off, reload with retention.
Go ahead. All right, I'll wait until you're done.
Call it out.
All right, I'll reload real quick. Okay. Good? Yeah. You go ahead. All right.
Contact 12 o'clock. They're coming through the door. They're coming through the door. Good job. Good job. Keep egressing.
Don't fall. Come to the right. Come to the right. All right. Come on. We're gonna get behind this wall. Take cover. Okay.
Good job. Check each other again. Check each other again.
Not bleeding?
Don't think so.
Okay. Okay. We're good. We're good.
Your legs going.
Good job, ladies.
Bleeding.